This is XREXS large digital wall clock, and I think this is the clock size. It's really large and it got 3 LED colors. The one is white and red and blue. The one I choose is the red. Let's see what it can do. It can memory the time and have 24, 12 hours display formats, and it can show the temperature, calendar, and you can loop the date and the temperature, count down, count up, and do use desktop or wall clock. They display for the temperature. You can go for Celsius and Fahrenheit, and you can snooze. Perfect. Let's open the package. This is full color menu. It's very detailed to show how to use it. And it got a remote. Basically, you just need to power it on. It comes with the adapter, so you need outlet to get power supply. And it comes with a mounting hose template, so very easy. You can drill 2 holes. Let's check the back. Yeah, just right here. Perfect. So this is the adapter. Right here, there is a hole, so you put this one in. And then here is a slot. Put it back on. So the total length of the cable is 67 inches. So I peel this one off. It actually looks great and very clear, and it's not very shiny. On the back of the clock, they got lots of buttons. Push the set once. Now this is the English. Push set. I push set again, and now it goes to month. Good. And goes to date, and I push the set again. Now is the time, so I just push plus. So once it's done, you just push the set button and go to 21 and set again. You can choose C or F, so I'm going to push this. Yeah, it goes to Celsius. Alright, let's test the alarm. On the back here is the alarm button. So here is the alarm one. I'm going to push set plus. Perfect. I'm going to put the set again. Yeah, now you can choose time. I go for 7, set again. And now it's the minutes, set again. So 1E means the working for every day. If I choose the plus again, it's 2E. 2E means the working on Monday to Friday. And you push the plus again, that's 3E. 3E means that only working on weekends. I'm going to put it on 2E and set. Okay, you see here is the big bell that shows that you already set the alarm. Here is the brightness setting. Now this is high, and this is auto. This is low. I think auto probably that's the best setting for now. And yeah, let's go to the timer. So I push the timer. Minus is the seconds, and the plus is the minutes, and the set is hour. The 3 buttons control each of them. Set, plus, minus. And if you want the timer to start, you push the snooze button. It just started. And also you can pause. Pause, just to push the snooze button again. Now it's pause. And then push again. It started going. So push the plus and minus at the same time and reset it to 0. If I push the snooze, the first one, it'll start counting up. So let's check the hourly clock settings. So on the back, there's alarm setting. Just push it, hold it. I just push the plus button. I choose the second one. Yeah, it's pretty good. I push the set button. Alright, this is mod. The mod 1 is not chime, and the mod 2 is hourly chime. The Mod 3 is from 6 to 9 and 10 to 5 off. It just means that during the night it's off, during the day it starts. So I probably put it on 1. And don't forget that it also comes with the remote. Actually, here you can adjust the volume, and here's the brightness. You can adjust the brightness yourself. Basically, the remote gets everything that you can adjust. It's very easy to use. Alright, I think this is a very good purchase. The clock is very large, very bright, and it got a ton of the adjustment. But I don't think to learn it is very hard. Actually, it's pretty easy, because it's very consistent. You can, once you learn setup for one thing, and all the other settings use the same function. Basically just the set and the plus and the minus, just 3 buttons. You can control basically everything. And if you put it onto the wall, just make sure that you have the outlet. But the cable is pretty long though. And you can buy a little plastic strip to hide the cable on the wall. And I think if you put it onto your table or just office, I think this is very good too. Also, it got different colors. It got blue, it got white. And on the back, here you can stand it onto the desk. Super convenient. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.